Econito here, Eric Talaska, doing a review on Ampere time lithium iron phosphate battery. I bought mine on Walmart recently, cheaper than this. It was $360. They raised it since I bought mine. Going to do a really quick unboxing. Corey Babcock recommended I buy it. He had to create a new YouTube channel, and you could just type in his name to get the channel. He is interesting. Okay, it's all for the mini Aussie. The box from Amazon, or actually no matter where you order it, is probably going to have this same box. They're all made in China one way or another. They may be assembled in USA and charge a premium for that, but that doesn't matter to me. When you open the box, there's this little thing in here hidden with parts. Let me pause the video and open this to show you what parts are in there. So if you buy this, don't forget to get this out of there. And the parts are the battery terminals with caps to prevent shorting out. The caps are important. Comes shipped with little plastic caps. They all do. Don't really need the negative as much, but definitely the positive one needs a cap. It's pretty lightweight. I'm sure other people have done reviews on performance. This one's not on performance, at least not yet. This is just unboxing what it looks like. Ignore all this other stuff. Comes with a really nice reusable pouch that stores all of the documents. In my opinion, documents should no longer be printed. Just have a QR code you can scan or website address to download it. That way you can do keyword searches. That would be better for the environment. Well, that's about it. I'll just kind of walk around the battery. It flexes a little bit because there's a little bit of airspace in between the case and the cells inside. I don't know how many cells are in there. I'm not going to take it apart. This one's going to be used for a dual trolling motor boat I have. This is going to power 2 trolling motors. I needed a lightweight one versus the lead acid because I have to manhandle this boat in and out of the water by myself. And so this is going to be much better. And that's about it. Yep. Wanted to keep this one a little short.